Notion has launched Notion Projects, an inbuilt enhanced project management update, boosting collaboration and productivity. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is No Code School and let's get right into it. Notion has always been geared towards being a tool for organizations to manage projects. But until recently, if you wanted to implement project management on Notion, you would have to create a separate page for projects, a separate page for tasks, assigning those tasks to your projects manually. But with this new Notion Projects update, all these troubles are a thing of the past. Notion Projects allows you to simplify the process of converting ideas into actualized tasks and workflows, which can be viewed and carried out by your whole team. So let's walk through the various features of this Notion Projects update. Before we jump in, we've seen that a large number of our viewers are not actually subscribed. So if you like what you see here and you want to see more, please consider subscribing as it helps us out a lot. Now, when your Notion is updated, you'll see these two main pages, projects and tasks. Now here in the projects page, all your projects are categorized based on what stage they're in or their status. It may be in the planning stage, the backlog stage, in progress, paused, etc. This feature allows the tracking of progress of each project for you and your team. Now all these projects have their various properties such as the summary, dates, priority over here. You can change the priority low, medium, high. You have your completion tab over here as well. And apart from this categorized list view, you can also see your projects in a timeline. So here we have a timeline for our projects. Here we have in progress projects. Now what you can do here is create dependencies. Now you have your projects and you want them to be done in a certain order. So with dependencies, what you can do is create workflows. So from this project, we can move into this project. And just like that, you can visualize a workflow for your organization. Another useful feature is here we have the Mine tab, where you can see only those projects which involve you. And you can move around these from different stages, from planning into in progress and into done and so on. Now within our projects, we have various tasks. So next up, we move to the tasks page. Here we can see the tasks from all our projects are showcased in list view. And you can also switch this to a board view if needed, as you can see here. These can also be moved around with a simple drag and drop. Another really helpful new addition is sprints. Now sprints are a method of project management which entail breaking down a large project into smaller segments or sprints for execution. And these segments or sprints can typically last a few weeks. Here in the sprints page, you can see all the current sprints and even plan new ones, such as, let's say, if you want to add a new sprint to this, and it's in the future, and you can assign a date to it, different tasks to it, and you can track the completed tasks. You can also open up these and see the various details of them, such as the tasks that need to be completed during the sprint. And when you move here to the timeline tab, you can visualize the time period and duration of each sprint and even schedule new sprints. And once you set up your sprints, you can go into the sprint board page and go into sprint planning and assign different tasks to different sprints. You can move around tasks between sprints with simple drag and drop. And the cool thing about this is if an allocated task is not completed within its sprint, it is automatically moved to the next sprint. There is also a current sprint tab for you to visualize and work on tasks for the current sprint. Some of the coolest new features of Notion projects are the AI features, such as AI autofill, where you can convert certain properties into AI fill properties. So for example, here we have the summary tab, which is an AI autofill tab. Now what this summary AI tool does is write up a full summary on this project based on all the information provided. So if I come up here and click update, the AI is writing and it provides a full summary for this project. This is really useful because you and your team can understand what the project is about without even having to open up the project. Notion has also added a number of new integrations such as with Jira, Slack, GitHub, Asana. And what you can also do now is sync Notion databases with other databases such as GitHub and Asana. And this is not the end of it. Notion has a bunch of new features planned for its upcoming updates. So those are the main features of the new Notion Projects update. We hope this is really helpful and you can find use for these features in your workspaces. Thank you all for watching. If you have any other tools you would like us to cover, please leave them down in the comment section below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe as it really helps us out. Once again, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.